Generally, if you want to make something go in a circle, or if there's circular motion involved in an animation, you will need your sine and cosine functions. Now, it's okay if you don't know exactly what those are, but if you type these out, it'll work. We're going to type in cos for cosine of A, comma, and then sin for sine of A. A here standing for angle. Add a slider for A. And let's go from 0 to 2 pi, since we want to make one full rotation. Now, to type in pi, you type in pi, and it'll turn into the pi. Step is going to be 0.001. Good. So, let's change the color to black. It doesn't matter. You can change it to whatever you want. Start my slider at 0, and if I hit play, we're going to see this black coordinates, trace a circle of radius 1, counterclockwise, and then back clockwise. If we want to change the size of the circle that this point is tracing, let's put an R in front of the cosine, R in front of the sine, R for radius. Add a slider for radius, and let's go from 0 to 5, step being 0.001, right? The smaller the step, the smoother the animation. And I don't want to drag this point. Notice how it has turned into a dragging point. Let's turn that off. Good. All right, why not? Let's make our radius as big as possible. Let's go all the way to 5 and then hit play. And now it's tracing a circle with a radius of 5 counterclockwise and then clockwise. If you want this thing to continually travel counterclockwise, we could change the animation to repeat in one direction. And it'll give the illusion that it just keeps going around counterclockwise. Here's one loop, and then it goes again, and it will keep going until you stop it.